Okay, I'm back, and now I have a problem where we have a hundreds place. So I've made our chart to have a hundreds place as well. Our steps have stayed the same, so let's go ahead and get started. Step number 1 is to just draw the top number. Our top number for this problem is 162. So we will draw a 100 block, 6 tens, and 2 ones. Okay? All right, step 2, looking at the ones place, can you take away? Well, we have a 2 in the ones place, and it wants us to take away 9. So no, we cannot do that. So since we said no, we must cross out a 10 and draw 10 ones. So let's do that. We're going to cross out a 10, and we're going to draw 10 ones. Okay, remembering that these 2 do not count. They're not part of our 10. Okay, so since we changed our drawing, we must change our problem. We crossed out a 10 in the middle and took one of those away. So now, as you can see, we have 5 left. And when we added that 10 to our 2 that we had, we now have 12. Okay. Go to the next step. Look at the 10s. Can you take away? Well, we have 5 10s. And they want us to take away 2. So yes, we can do that. So since we said yes, go to the hundreds place. Okay. Well, we don't have to do anything to the hundreds place. So technically, we're ready to solve. Solving, we cross out the bottom number and we count what's left. In our math problem, our bottom number was 29. And we make 29 by using 2 10s and 9 ones. So now all you have to do is count what you have left. We have 3 ones left. We have 3 10s left. And we still have our 100 for an answer of 133. So let's make sure that our problem is going to equal the same thing. 12 take away 9 is 3. 5 take away 2 is 3. And I've always told the kids that if there's an empty place, just imagine that there is a 0 there. Some of them like to draw a 0 there to help them. And 1 take away 0 is just 1 for an answer of 133. Again, I hope this video helped. Hope I didn't go too fast. But please let me know if you have any questions, and I can help you with that. Okay, thank you.